If you are a YouTube or TikTok content creator, you may want to get this tripod. This is a high quality, affordable phone tripod. And by the way, this is not your average phone tripod. And this is why. The problem with the majority of inexpensive phone tripods is that they are difficult to set up. You need to twist the tubes to adjust them, they are not stable at all, and the main issue for me is that they are very short. Luckily, there's a better option. I present you this Vicseed phone tripod. This is a very tall and very solid phone tripod. It can go up to 67 inches, but during my test, I found out that 64.5 inches is the sweet spot. As you can see, there's a huge difference compared to my previous phone tripod. The lowest it can go is 23 inches. It is lightweight, you can take it anywhere with you and it will not break your back. Another nice feature is that this tripod turns into a selfie stick. You might be thinking that this is an expensive tripod. It is not. You can get one of these on Amazon for $40. By the way, check the video description for the link and a discount code that I have for you so you save a few dollars. The presentation of the box is minimalistic, nothing out of the ordinary. Inside of the box, you will find the carry bag with everything in it. First, you have these two cords. One includes some information about the company and the other one is a small manual for the remote. Inside of this box, you will find the parts for the selfie stick. Inside of the carry bag, we have the base of the tripod. Next, the selfie stick, the phone holder, the remote, and the adapter to place the phone holder. My first impression is that all the parts feel solid and durable, especially the base of the tripod. It is very solid, you can use it on any terrain and you won't be disappointed. The assembly is very simple. First, place the base on the floor. Next, insert the selfie stick. Then attach the adapter for the phone holder. And lastly, attach the phone holder. I like the flexibility to set your phone at any angle. You can also place the phone holder in this position to have even more angle options. You can also use this tripod with your DSLR camera. However, you need to be careful, especially if your camera has a heavy lens. I have a Canon T5i and I can use it without any problems. But I feel like this tripod was designed to be used mainly with your phone. If you have a GoPro adapter, you can attach it and enjoy all of the functions this tripod have. This is a well-made tripod. You can use it indoors, outdoors, and take it with you anywhere you go. The only thing you should avoid is getting it wet, as there are many metal parts and you don't want them to rust. Now let's talk about the remote. With this remote, you can control your phone to start and stop video and take pictures. Vicseed was kind enough to include a spare battery. To program it, you first need to remove this little plastic from the battery. Then make sure your Bluetooth is on. Next, press and hold the button of the remote for about 3 seconds until the red light starts flashing. Now select the name of the remote, in this case is Z07-5. And that's all, the remote is ready to use. This is the first time that I use a remote. I never thought to say this, but I liked it. It is nice to have this remote to take pictures using the selfie stick or to start and stop video. I will give credit to Vicseed for including this remote in the package. Overall, this is a nice entry-level tripod. Sure, there are hundreds of other phone tripods in the market that are way more expensive and could be nicer, but in my opinion, if you're starting YouTube or TikTok, this tripod will get the job done and won't break your bank. The price is good, the quality is good, and my discount code in the description below will make it even better. That's all for today. Let me know if you're going to give it a try, and thanks for watching.